Find or read reviews that people are talking about BiggerFire 360 degrees rotating charcoal grills. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that 360 degrees rotating grill. No need to manually flip food one by one or worry about burning your hands. Hold the top lever of the grill and push the lever up or down to complete the rotation and grill the other side of the food. Vegetables, meats, and seafood can be evenly heated on the grill at the same time. The design of this 360 degrees rotating grill not only simplifies the cooking process, but also brings unprecedented convenience and safety. Premium quality. The portable charcoal grill is made of steel and premium stainless steel, sturdy and durable. It has the characteristics of rust-proof, scratch-resistant, heat-resistant. The surface is treated with high-temperature powder, ensures that the grill won't rust and be easy to clean after long time use. Safe and secure. The grill grate is made of food-grade 304 stainless steel for safety, reliability, and durability. Clasps on grill can be locked to hold food in place when turning over. Perfect for outdoor barbecue. The charcoal grills are perfect for any skewers, steaks, fish, burgers, hot dogs, and vegetables and more. This barbecue grill not only can used for outdoor smoked cooking, picnics, camping and beach outings but also for gathering with family in garden or yard, perfect for supplying 3 to 8 people. Ventilation design. Our charcoal tray is high temperature resistant and not easy to deform or peel off, with small round holes on both sides for better air convection, so that charcoal burn efficiently and the food cook faster. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.